Okay. Next up, another free sewing machine in a cabinet, and it's another Kenmore, and this is uh, 148 1201-1. So this is a counterpart to the 1207, but the basic model. The 1207 and the 1201 were sold at the same time, and that 1207 I have has a blind stitch on it, and this 1201, interesting. It has a pedal that the power cord goes straight into the pedal, and then the pedal goes up to the machine, the motor on the machine. So this doesn't have a light on it, apparently, but you can see the 1207, all it had was the knob up here for the blind stitch, and the 1201, the zigzag is pretty sticky here. It's got, and the forward reverse is pretty sticky. So this machine is going to need another cleaning and oiling, just like the 1207 did, it looks like. But unlike the 1207, when it got stiff, nobody cranked on this clutch wheel knob to get it moving again. So I have a feeling that this one's going to be pretty quick to just give it a once over, but we'll take a closer look once we get it inside. And we'll pop this up and get it out of the cabinet after I get this piece of string off. There. Okay, well, I'll get that other screw out and lift this out, and we'll get it inside on the bench and get a look at it.